going to be putting out the tutorial after this tutorial is down on how to make the hair I use for this distress lock, because I made the hair I use for this distress lock.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe to this channel, join the family, go through my videos and then learn new stuff about skincare, just beauty in general. So take 2 seconds to appreciate my distress locks. Okay, I made this distress lock myself. I'm going to be putting out the tutorial after this tutorial is down on how to make the hair I use for this distress lock, because I made the hair I use for this distress lock. If you're confused, you can either use a deep weave hair for a distress lock or a bohemian hair. So I used the hair I made came out to be a bohemian hair, so that's what I used for my distress lock. And this is the first time I made distress lock for myself, and I'll be trying making distress lock on my sister's hair, so I'll be bringing out the tutorial for you guys to watch. So when this video is down, when you're watching this video, you can as well switch to the next video, which is how to make the distress lock, or you can stay and finish listening to this before you go to that. So I'm going to take you right into the processes. Stay tuned to this channel. So guys, what you'll be needing is an expression. I think I'm going to do a voice over, so it depends on how loud this is and all. So you'll be needing an expression, and of course your scissors. This scissors is going to be really crazy because I can't even find the stronger one. So these scissors can't even cut this out. So you're going to have to take out the leather, of course. Bring out your braids. This is how it looks like. I'm using Expression Rich Braid color 1. I'm actually going to be mixing the colors for her. She's going to be using purple and black. The down is going to be black. So I'm going to lose this. And I'm going to cut it to cut 3. Or cut 4. So I'm going to be cutting it to cut 3 because I want it to be enough for the hair. So I'll be cutting it off camera because I don't want you to see me using this messy scissors. So I'm just going to look for the other one. So the next process is going to be on some seconds. I have cut it. It's in cut 4. I made it cut 4. So right now the next thing to do is to fish it out. So I know fishing is not a new word to you when it comes to braids. So you fish it out so that you won't have some tacky ends when you're trying to coil the hair. So I'll be fishing it out, and it's not going to be on camera. Fishing out, it's just taking the hair slightly out like this. So you'll be doing that for all the hairs. And meanwhile, I've not even tried to cut the other color because I mentioned she'll be using 2 colors. So stay tuned, second process is going to be coming through. So guys, I fished this part. This is the part I fished. So what I do is I come to this side and try to brush the ends. So some parts there that seems not to be stretched gets stretched. And then what you have to do next is to put your hair cream on the hair. I'm using this particular hair cream. It's not pricey. You can use any hair cream of your choice, hair oil, hair sheen. Then you do something like this. You can even use a petroleum jelly for it. So after doing this, you'd need this brush to brush. You start little so you don't have to shed out all the hair. I'm brushing. Then you turn over and brush the other parts.
But there's something else. All the way through the scriptures, we read about the blood of Jesus Christ. Somebody said, don't you think that the scriptures have too much about blood?
So this is how it looks. I'm going to do the rest of them and then come back to show you guys the next process. So guys, I'm done fishing all the hairs, and then I'm just going to take this particular small one so you see the next process. I've combed it already, so I'm trying to comb it again. Then take out. For this process, all you need is either this coiler, or if you have a strong straw, not just the regular straw if you're in Nigeria. So you take out any amount of hair you want to, then you hold this like this, and then when you're rolling it, you make sure you're trying to like tight your hands. Sorry. Most people don't know how to use this. I'm sure you just know what I'm doing. So you just keep rolling. When you're rolling, you can keep combing if you've secured it up there.
Let me start with the It's what I don't understand.
It can be a little bit tacky, but you can just go around the whole process. I think I'm not yet perfect because I'm still on camera and maybe I have a little bit of phobia, but this is how it turns out to be. And then when you're done, you can put another part around it if you don't have plenty bits of this, because I don't have much. I just have a few pieces left. I think I mistakenly threw mine away, so I'm going to comb this and then try to do the process again here.
The other guy said auntie Alimiti did CS in the hospital.
So this is 2-in-1. So when I'm done with this, I'm going to use my scissors to like just take out the rough parts that are sticking out of the hair. So I'm going to do that in all the hairs. Like, I know I'm not practically going to finish it because I have less of this. I just have this. I told you you can use a strong straw or this or a strong stick to just roll out. So this is what I'm going to use, and I'm going to show you the end product and what next to do. Guys, I am done. This is the whole stress. Thank you. I'm teaching you how to style your distress locks. You can style it whichever way you want to. So me using this coiler, I got to coil it 2 times. Then using the straw, this is how it looks like. You can't use a soft straw because it just tends to bend. So this is how it looks like. So what you need to do next, because you can see all this hair popping out, you just need to, maybe this one you can bend it, you just need to this scissors is tacky. You just need to trim the rough parts. I didn't want to do a voiceover because I don't know, it's quite stressful editing it. So this is what you just do, just trim the ends, because the hairs, no matter what, is still going to like pop out. So when you're done trimming, all you need to do, the next process, what you just need is your hot water and then any conditioner of your choice. I'm using TCB leave-in conditioner, a leave-in conditioner. This is with shea butter and coconut oil. I'm going to use this for this hair because I don't want to use any expensive leave-in conditioner. Basically, I've used this leave-in conditioner for my hair, but it gave me flicks on my hair, like whitish stuff anytime I comb. So I just like realized maybe it's not for my hair, so I just started using Cantu. So if you're a lover of Cantu products, I'm going to give a review about their leave-in conditioner, how to spot the fake and the original of it. So while talking, I'm still trimming because my scissors is not sharp. So when you're done trimming, you just like boil your hot water. I have a whole lot of them I've done. I just keep doing it because I don't have much of this. So you boil your hot water. When you boil hot water, you now dip it in. You can rub your conditioner on the hair after trimming on this, then put it in your hot water. Then allow it to sit like for a minute or two, remove it, clean it, and keep it down. I'm going to teach you the whole processes, but like I can just tell you now. And then when you remove it, you just wrap it in a cloth and then allow it to sit maybe for like 30 minutes before you take out the hair. Some people will say allow it to sit for like a day or over the night, but it's still the same thing when you still take it off next 30 minutes. So stay tuned. This video is going to be a little bit lengthy because I'm teaching you guys something that you're going to waste money on. I bet you all these beauty stores that sell crochets for distress lock or hair for distress lock, they sell it not less than 3,500 naira if you're in Nigeria. So stay tuned while I put you through the last process. So this is my hot water. I'm going to just dip the hair right into this hot water, and then these are the ones I could do for now because I'm going to recycle the process. And then I think you can remove the hair. And then I'll be using this, any leave-in conditioner of your choice. I'm using TCB here to rub the hair. And once I do this, I'm returning it back to the hot water. This might look a little bit messy, but this is just how to do it. I'm not making a voice over, that's why everything seems so messy. So you leave it in here for like, I don't think I've done this one. You leave it in here for like a minute or two, then you take it out. When you take it out, just use a dry cloth to like wrap it in. When you're done, you take it out, you remove it from the coiler in like next 30 minutes. I'll be showing you how I do mine before I conclude the video. So this is it. I'm gonna leave it for 2 minutes to take it out and wrap it in a dry cloth. So yeah. So guys, this is one of the ones I just finished using, and I'm going to take just one out for you guys to see. This has not even stayed up to 2 minutes after putting it in the hot water. So I'm just going to show you how it looks like afterwards. So I'm unwrapping it here. So this is how it looks afterwards. So maybe if you want to keep it more than 2 minutes or so. So when you want to do the braids, Okay, in my next video I'm going to show you how to do the braids. I'm going to tell you what to do afterwards. So this is the process, making distress hair to make your distress lock. And if you want to talk about my skin or anything, I left videos. In my videos you could see safe products for you to use. I use this product and I make reviews about them. That's if you admire my skin, because I'm just here to share the beauty, recipes and all of these things. So please, this video was really hard for me to make. I'd appreciate if you like it, if it was useful, or if it's going to be useful to you. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
Eh?